welcome to SOS Electronic. Today we will be unlocking new dimensions with 10 low-profile options in Hammond Enclosures. You are probably already familiar with the tried and tested popular plastic enclosures from Canadian manufacturer Hammond Manufacturing. Their exceptional qualities and practical benefits make them an ideal match for a wide variety of applications. We've expanded the range of standard plastic enclosures with 10 new versions starting from a height of 45 mm, perfect for today's sleek low-profile IoT devices. Hammond 1554 and 5055 series are available in ABS as well as high-quality polycarbonate versions with IP68 protection. The range also includes models with UL-certified clear lids. These enclosures are suitable for use in demanding industrial environments for local control and machine monitoring and perform just as reliably outdoors. Tested according the EN 62262 and achieving the rating of IK08 for impact resistance, they can withstand impacts of up to 5 joules. Picture an object of 1.7 kilograms being dropped from a height of 300 mm. Unlike metal housings, their plastic construction naturally allows for the integration of Wi-Fi or Bluetooth antennas directly inside the enclosure. They come in various sizes, and each size is offered with either a smooth lid or a styled lid in gray, clear or smoke-tinted versions. There's also a version that is specifically designed for easy wall or panel mounting, featuring a lid with a flange. The base of these enclosures has been specifically adapted for membrane keypads or other project components. More technical specifications, available sizes, as well as information on certification can be found on our website. Selected models from the 1554 and 1555 series, as well as a wide range of other Hammond standard plastic enclosures, are immediately available for your projects. Additional variants and accessories can be ordered on request under favorable conditions with technical support directly from the manufacturer. Are you looking for modifications or a fully customized solution? The manufacturer offers customizations starting from as few as 25 units, depending on the service type. Send us your requirements and we'll be happy to provide a quote. Feel free to request a sample and give your application a sleek new finish. For more information, reach out to us at soselectronic.com and we'll be happy to assist you.